Good day to all students of grade 7A and grade 7B. This is the last part of our lesson. Okay, this is lesson 3. Lesson 3 is just a review, and we're going to learn more about there is and the article a. Okay, for this time, let's just have a quick review. For lesson 1, we learned about there is and there are. So there is, we need to know that we are going to use there is for singular nouns. Very good. Next, there are, we're going to use it for plural nouns. Very good. And we also studied about how to use some and a lot of. That was lesson 2. So when we say some, it should be more than one thing or person. Very good. And a lot of, it talks about we have to use a lot for a big number of things or people. That will be like big groups, big quantities. All right, now let's proceed. Let's go to our next and last lesson. There is an A. Okay, let's read. We often use the short form of there is. Okay, you can use the short form of there is. There's. Okay? There is a computer in the room. Again, let's read. There is a computer in the room. Very good. Now, let's read the short form of there is. Let's read the sentence this time. There's a computer in the room. Again. There's a computer in the room. Very good. Now let's do it again. Okay, let's read together. There is a computer in the room. Very good. Next, there's a computer in the room. Again, there's a computer in the room. Very good. Now, there is a warning here. X. When you see an X, that means you should not follow this rule or don't do anything, okay? Let's read. There is no short form for there are. Okay? There is no short form for there are. So, let us memorize. There is no short form for there are. Okay? There is no short form for there are. Right. Now, we all know that we use there is for when we talk about what kind of noun? Yes, singular noun. Okay, now let's go to A. Okay, we use A for one thing or person. Again, we use A for one thing or person. Again, we use A for one thing or person. Okay, so we use the short form of there is. There's a pen. Again, there's a pen. Okay, there's a mask. So I'm going to get my pen and my mask. There's a pen. There's a pen. Next, there's a mask. This is my mask. I'm not going to use it. There's a mask. So this time, try to look at any object inside your room. Or maybe you are sitting on your living room. Look for any object. Turn around. Look to the left and to the right. So, for me, I found some of this. First one, since I am in the classroom, I have this whiteboard eraser. So I'm going to tell you, there's a whiteboard eraser. There's a whiteboard eraser. Right? That's correct. Next, there's a red marker. There's a red marker. There's a red marker. Again, there's a red marker. Correct. The next one, I saw this book. I don't know who owns this one, but I can say that this is a chemistry book. So there's a chemistry book. There's a chemistry book. Very good. And the last, there's a notebook. There's a notebook. There's a notebook. Okay, so for now, let's just have a quick review, and I'm going to tell you about your homework, how you can answer this. Okay. So now let's have a review. This is the last part. We just need to know about how to use there is and a. So both of them, we use it for what kind of noun? Yes, you're right. Singular nouns. Very good. Next, we are going to use there is. We often use the short term of there is, there's, okay? But you cannot use the short form for there are, okay? And we use a for one thing or person, only one. So that's why we say there's a pen and there's a mask, okay? There, yeah. So I hope you learned something today. Now, for homework number 3, please give this homework. The deadline will be next Wednesday. Okay, I can accept until Wednesday. For homework number 3, it's written here, there are, some, a lot of. And if you want to read your book, you can read English Plus Starter Workbook, pages 9 and 58. Now, the instruction here is, please read the lesson carefully and try to read it slowly. Okay? And you can also read this part. So for the first part, for the homework for English, so there is a picture here. All you have to do is answer there is or there are. So remember, there is, use it for what kind of noun? Singular noun. And then there are, you use it for plural nouns. Very good. Okay, just write there is and there are on the blanks. Now, the second part is order the words to make sentences. So, you all know how to do this already. And the third part, complete the sentences with the words in the box. So, everything is written here, okay? Then, for the last part, write sentences about your classroom. So, I know we're not inside the classroom, but at least there is a picture here. So, examples are here. You only need to write 6 sentences. So, you can use there is, there are, some, or a lot of. So, it depends. Okay? Just use this. And there are examples here also. Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope that you are ready to complete your homework. And don't forget, the deadline will be next Wednesday. So, please start watching all the videos and please also join our online classes. Check your messenger group for grade 7 for the English subject. Okay, that's all for now. Goodbye, grade 7A and 7B. I hope you will do your homework. Goodbye.